Welcome friends to VG Creativity World. Today I am showing how to fill this apple. This is buttonhole stitch, this is satin stitch, and this is stem stitch. Okay, so let us begin. And when we are filling, make the segments, means makes the line in the apple inside, and from one corner just put the needle here and start doing satin stitch, blanket stitch or buttonhole stitch. See, like this, very close we have to take, like this. Okay, I have used 4 strings of cotton thread, like this. Now see, this segment is filled, so I will move from now right to left. So again start from here. See, put the needle here and take this segment and again like this. Okay, and again do the same thing, only we have to move from right to left. See, like this. Little bit difficult, means moving, or either you can just put down and make the knot, and again you can start from this side, or again whichever you like. Okay, and see that you are taking close, otherwise it will be not filled properly. Now see, this is also filled. Now I am again going from this third segment, so take like this and again do the buttonhole stitch, and somewhere if space is there, afterwards you can, if somewhere, then fill with the straight stitch. I will show, because here little bit space is there, so I will show that also. So see, like this we have to move. Better you move from left to right, because right to left it is little bit difficult, not having the habit. So move in the right to left. See here, finishing does not came so beautiful. Okay, so like this we have to. See here, thread is finishing, so put it inside and again take the another thread, make the knot here. Okay, so where you have put the needle down, there itself take out the needle, so that it looks continuation. Okay, so see that, like this, and again complete it. Now see, this segment is also filled. Now the last segment. So I am moving from right to left. If it is convenient, then do, otherwise you move from uh, that is left to right. Okay, see here, not again. Okay, so we will fill this segment in the same manner. Simply I am moving from right to left. Okay, now see friends, it is filled, but the shape is not there. For that, giving the shape, we will do stem. Here it is ended, so I am showing here. See, buttonhole stitch I have filled. Now the shape, it doesn't look because here. So what we will do for that, we will make a stem stitch, okay, or outline stitch. So see, like this we have to go, and very close you have to move. See, like this. Okay, so that it is completely filled. See, like this, stem stitch. Okay, it is also known as outline stitch, like this. See, so the shape is perfect. See, like this. Your corner take little less, so that turning is there. Okay, so like this. See, like this. Okay, little you take. See, like this. Here turning is there, so little less you take. Okay, so it looks that it is completely filled. See, like this, so shape will come. See, okay. From where we have started till there we have to reach. Okay, see. See, from here I have started, so here I am going to end. And somewhere you will see space is there, so you can do the straight stitch that I am showing. See here, take out the needle and come here. See here, little space is seen, so you can just hide with doing the straight stitch like this. Okay, see, like this. If you feel somewhere space is there, so fill like this. Okay, here little bit space is there, so put like this, and straight stitch. Okay, so like this we can hide also if somewhere. And this is our apple filling. Like this we can do. Now how to fill the leaf See, this is the, again it is a outline stitch first. So do the outline stitch how you are doing, like this. Okay, so this is our stem stitch, and see, like this. Okay, and put the needle down and come. Always when we are doing a satin stitch, I always start from the tip of that flower or leaf and move in the slanting direction. See, like this. Okay, so your filling is looking perfect. See, like this, slanting. If you are taking straight stitch, it doesn't look beautiful. So whenever you are doing satin stitch, see that you are moving in the slanting, when slanting lines. See, like this. Okay, so fillings looks beautiful and the shape also is perfect. See, like this. Okay, so always remember you have to do slanting stitch. Means not slanting stitch, take the thread, means move in the slanting way. See, now it is filled, so you can see the shape of the leaf is perfect. Now I am showing how to fill this. For that, I have taken brown color, and again I came to the tip, means rectangle shape, come to the tip. Again we are going to move in the slanting lines so that it is filled. That is satin stitch. Okay, so move in a slanting way if you want, or any other. So see, I am showing how I am going to fill. See, like this. Okay, so in this way we will complete the filling. See, now it is filled. After that you give the outline stitch. So from one side you start, and I have started from here, so till there I will come and end it. So it is very easy. See, like this. That's why it's called outline stitch. Okay, see, like this. That is why it is called as a outline stitch. See, because it gives the shape. So after filling, always do the outline stitch. So whatever we have filled, it looks beautiful and the shape is also perfect. Here corner we have to take very little. Okay, see, like this. So again here corner little less. Wherever the turning comes, so see that you are taking a very, means the distance is less, otherwise you can take a little big distance. Okay, see the shape of rectangle it came, and here I have started, so here I am putting the needle down. Okay, so see this apple. I hope that you like it. If you really like it, then like, share, comment. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.